Hello friends, I am Pavitra.
And I am Diktendu.
We are two friends.
We are going to make a short conversation in English.
So let's start.
Hi Pavitra.
Hello,
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And how are you?
I am also fine, thank you.
Do you know how many days are there in a week?
Yes, I know. There are 7 days in a week.
Oh, nice. What are those?
Those are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday.
That's good.
Do you know what is the capital city of India?
Yes, I know. New Delhi is the capital city of India.
Oh, that's good.
Do you know what is the capital city of West Bengal?
Yes, I know. Kolkata is the capital city of West Bengal.
You are absolutely right.
How is our national flag?
Yes, I know. Our national flag is rectangular.
Oh, absolutely right.
How many colors are there in our national flag?
There are 3 colors in our national flag.
What are those?
Those are saffron, white and green.
What does white stand for?
White stands for peace and purity.
Okay, Diptendu, I am getting late, so bye.
Okay, bye Pavitra.
So this is our conversation. I hope you have enjoyed. Thanks for being with us. Bye.
Bye.